Hi, myself Merlin from Coimbatore. Currently, I am pursuing BSc Information Technology in Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now, I am going to present a business model canvas.
The business model canvas is a strategic management template used for developing new business models and documenting existing ones. It offers a visual chart with elements describing a firm's or product's values proposition, infrastructure, customers, and finances, assisting business to align their activities by illustrating potential trade-offs. The 9 building blocks of the business model design template that came to be called the business model canvas were initially proposed in 2005 by Alexander Osterwalder based on his earlier work on business model ontology. I choose ThoughtWorks Company. ThoughtWorks founded in 1993 by Novili Roy Singham. We have grown from a small team in Chicago to a leading technology consultancy of more than 9,000 ThoughtWorkers in 17 countries. ThoughtWorker user 748 million and this company URL thoughtworkers.com. Industry vertical innovation and technology in this company deal with agriculture, healthcare, energy, aerospace, automobile, smart city, Internet of Things, automation, etc. There are 9 important points of ThoughtWorks. Value proposition. ThoughtWorks offers 3 primary value proposition: innovation, performance, and brand. Customer segments. ThoughtWorks has mass market businesses model with no significant differentiation between customer. Channels. ThoughtWorks' main channel is its direct sales team. The company promotes its offerings through its website, social media pages, workshops, and participation in conference. Key activities. ThoughtWorks business model entails designing and developing software and related services for its customers. Key resources. ThoughtWorks' main resources are its human resources, who include engineering staff that design and develop its software in consulting staff that provide advisory services. As a startup, it has relied on funding from investors, raising to 28 million from 2 investors as of October 2000. Customer relationship. ThoughtWorks customer relationship is primarily of a personal assistance nature. Customers work closely with company employees as part of consulting engagement. Our company key partners are AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft. We leverage our network of trusted partners to ability, the speed and outcomes we deliver to our clients. Cost structure. ThoughtWorks has a value-driven structure aiming to provide a premium proposition through significant personal service. Its biggest cost driver is likely cost of services, a variable expense. Other major drivers are in the cases of customer support or operation and product development, both fixed cost. Revenue streams. ThoughtWorks has 2 revenue streams: revenue generated from the sale of software and revenue generated from the sale of related services, including consulting. Value proposition of ThoughtWorks offers 3 primary value proposition: innovation, performance, and brand. The company places a strong emphasis on innovation. It created the first continuous integration servers, QoS control. The company has demonstrated strong performance through tangible results for clients. The company has established a strong brand as a result of its success. Now I tell about our company key partners. Amazon Web Services is a subsidiary of Amazon providing on-demand cloud computing platforms and APIs to individuals, companies and governments on a metered pay-as-you-go basis. AWS operates from many global geographical regions, including 6 in North America. Google Cloud Platform, offered by Google, is a suite of cloud computing services that runs on the same infrastructure that Google uses internally for its end-user products, such as Google Search, Gmail, Google Drive, and YouTube. Microsoft. Microsoft Corporation is an American multinational technology corporation which produces computer software, consumer electronics, personal computers, and related services. We leverage our network to trusted partners to ability the speed and outcomes we deliver to our clients. Thank you.